Topic number 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Business.
Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force in modern business operations, revolutionizing the way companies approach tasks and challenges. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, enabling businesses to automate routine tasks and make data-driven decisions with greater speed and accuracy. With its ability to interpret and learn from data, AI is increasingly becoming a cornerstone of competitive advantage, fostering innovation and reshaping the dynamics of various industries.
Topic number 2. Impact of artificial intelligence on operational efficiency.
Artificial intelligence has significantly transformed operational efficiency within businesses, offering streamlined solutions that enhance productivity and reduce operational costs. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, artificial intelligence enables businesses to allocate resources more efficiently, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on complex, high-value assignments. Moreover, AI-driven systems can analyze vast datasets at unprecedented speeds, facilitating more accurate decision-making and improving overall workflow management. This integration of AI in operations leads to improved efficiency, minimized errors, and optimized resource allocation, ultimately fostering a more agile and competitive business environment.
Topic number 3. Enhanced customer engagement through artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence tools are spearheading a customer-centric revolution, redefining the way businesses interact with and serve their customers. Through personalized recommendations, chatbots, and sentiment analysis, AI enables businesses to anticipate customer needs, preferences, and behavior patterns, delivering tailored experiences that foster deeper engagement and satisfaction. By leveraging artificial intelligence-driven insights, businesses can proactively address customer queries, provide timely support, and offer seamless, intuitive experiences across various touchpoints, thereby cultivating long-term customer loyalty and advocacy.
Topic number 4. Utilizing artificial intelligence for data-driven decision-making.
Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in unlocking the potential of big data, empowering businesses to extract valuable insights from vast and complex datasets. By employing advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI can efficiently process, interpret, and analyze intricate data patterns, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions that are grounded in actionable intelligence. Through predictive analytics and trend forecasting, AI facilitates informed strategic planning, allowing businesses to anticipate market shifts, identify emerging opportunities, and mitigate potential risks, thus fostering a more agile and competitive decision-making framework.
Topic number 5. Artificial intelligence role in driving innovation.
Artificial intelligence serves as a catalyst for innovation, driving transformative advancements in product development and service offerings within the business landscape. By leveraging AI-powered insights, businesses can uncover unmet consumer needs, identify emerging market trends, and conceptualize novel solutions that resonate with evolving customer demands. Through iterative machine learning processes and predictive modeling, artificial intelligence enables businesses to refine and optimize product designs, enhance user experiences, and introduce disruptive offerings that differentiate them from competitors. This fosters a culture of continuous innovation, positioning businesses at the forefront of market evolution and bolstering their competitive edge in an increasingly dynamic and customer-centric marketplace.
Topic number 6. Challenges and risks associated with artificial intelligence implementation.
While the integration of AI offers immense potential, businesses must navigate various challenges and risks associated with its implementation. Common challenges include the need for substantial initial investments in AI infrastructure, potential data privacy and security concerns, and the complexities involved in managing and interpreting large data sets. Moreover, the lack of skilled professionals proficient in AI implementation and the ethical implications of AI decision-making pose additional hurdles. To mitigate these risks, businesses must prioritize careful planning, robust data governance, and the implementation of comprehensive risk management strategies, ensuring transparent and ethical AI.
Topic number 7. Ethical implications of artificial intelligence in business.
The widespread adoption of AI in business operations necessitates a critical examination of its ethical implications. Concerns regarding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to perpetuate social inequalities underscore the need for businesses to prioritize ethical standards and transparency in their AI-driven practices.
Topic number 8. Artificial intelligence's contribution to predictive analysis and forecasting.
Artificial intelligence algorithms play a pivotal role in predictive analysis and forecasting, enabling businesses to anticipate future trends and market dynamics with a high degree of accuracy. By analyzing historical data patterns and identifying relevant correlations, artificial intelligence can generate predictive models that forecast market trends, consumer behavior, and industry shifts. These insights empower businesses to make proactive and data-backed decisions, ranging from inventory management and supply chain optimization to marketing strategies and new product development. By leveraging artificial intelligence-driven predictive analysis, businesses can stay ahead of market fluctuations, identify emerging opportunities, and proactively adapt their strategies.
Topic number 9. Real-world examples of successful artificial intelligence integration.
Amazon, leveraging AI-powered recommendation engines and predictive analytics. Amazon has transformed the e-commerce landscape, providing customers with personalized product recommendations and a seamless shopping experience. Tesla's advanced driver assist features and autonomous driving capabilities showcase the successful integration of AI in the automotive industry, revolutionizing the concept of smart and self-driving vehicles. Spotify, with AI-driven music recommendation algorithms and personalized playlists. Spotify has redefined the music streaming experience, catering to individual user preferences and enhancing user engagement and satisfaction.
Topic number 10. The future of artificial intelligence in business.
The business landscape with artificial intelligence. As we stand at the intersection of technology and commerce, the impact of AI on the business landscape is profound and transformative. Step into tomorrow's business world defined by intelligent automation, data-driven decisions, and innovative AI applications. Join the journey to explore exciting possibilities and anticipate groundbreaking changes at the forefront of the business.
Thank you for exploring the dynamic realm of AI and its transformative impact on businesses. Stay ahead of the curve with Top Mind Matters. Subscribe now for more insightful content on AI's role in shaping the future of business.